Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, blue color, green color, brown color, yellow color, and black color. Kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for helicopter. Kids, now you draw I and use blue color. I for ice cream, J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose, O for octopus, P for parrot. Kids, now you draw Q, the alphabets of Q, and use green color. Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for van, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.